Let's make a beautiful bracelet using just colorful beads and elastic thread. Now, choose your favorite colorful beads and start threading them. You can follow a pattern or go random, totally up to you. Like, share, and subscribe for more DIY craft ideas. Cutting a piece of elastic thread, long enough to wrap around your wrist with extra length for tying. Once you're done beading, hold both ends together and make a secure knot. To make the knot stronger and long-lasting, apply a small drop of B6000 glue right on the knot. Be careful not to use too much. Let the glue dry completely before wearing. This helps prevent it from loosening over time. A quick, colorful bracelet made with love.